Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering what you need. Make sure the account is verified and not tied to active business-only features. Export contacts and data so nothing is lost. Once done, log in with the primary admin credentials and disable third-party integrations that block change. Next, turn off any subscriptions or business analytics that require conversion clearance. These steps prevent data loss and permission conflicts, so make them first priorities before you move into the conversion interface. Now go into account settings and locate the account type or profile controls. Select Change to Personal or Standard Account. You must remove business phone numbers, payment methods, and any merchant profiles that block downgrade. Revoke additional admin or business roles so ownership shifts cleanly. When prompted, review how analytics, ads, and sales history are archived or deleted, then accept the consequences and confirm the change. Make sure to save and authenticate with 2FA so the platform registers the new account type immediately. Finish by validating the new personal profile. Check contact info, privacy settings, and feature availability. Some business tools will disappear. Once confirmed, relink apps that accept personal accounts and update any saved payment info for subscriptions. If the conversion fails or settings revert, clear cache, try a different browser, or repeat the steps after 15-30 minutes. If problems persist, capture error messages and contact platform support. Provide account ID and screenshots so they can resolve stuck transitions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.